first step is to, basic things, small things, being consistent and, being honest, sharing our feelings, not withholding what we think, but being open and honest and transparent with our partner. And can we build on that trust? And there are steps to that. But in the beginning of relationships, if we're not honest about little things, simple things like, what kind of movies do we like to watch? What kind of food do we like to eat? What kind of values do we have? If we're just telling our partner what we think they want to hear in an effort to avoid conflict or for them to accept us or like us, we're still not being honest with them or ourselves. And later on, that's going to build over time, and they're not going to trust us with the big things.
You know what's interesting? Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think you said that in a very, very clear way, and it's very easy to understand. And I one of the things I think is complicated with romantic relationships, especially in recovery with trust, is many people will come into recovery, the recovery process, because something has broken.
Mhm.
They've reached a place where they've reached bottom. Primarily, if there is like a husband, a wife, boyfriend, or girlfriend that has involved a significant other, they've helped them they've basically given an ultimatum, right? We've had a lot of interventionists on. We have interventionists on almost every month, to talk about that process. And the complicated thing I find is that many people, Carol, like I've never met an alcoholic that doesn't have a really great codependent with them. So the codependent is as addicted to changing the alcoholic as the alcoholic is to drinking, right?
Mhm.
So it's a very weird dynamic. And a lot of the times
Thank you for watching this Recovered Life segment. At Recovered Life, we are all about helping you live your best recovered life. So please like this video and share it with someone you know who could really use it. Also, feel free to join our free weekly newsletter at recoveredlife.us and get great information like this sent to your inbox every week.